What's up, guys? It's Delvin with Diverse Ford Research and Built to Drive Media. So today what we're going to do is change a speed sensor on a 2008 Hummer H3. The reason why we're changing the speed sensor is because at times when I get on the freeway or just low gear coming out of a parking lot or something like that, this has hard shifts. And that was one of the reasons why I kind of didn't drive the truck as much, because you know how like sometimes when things got an issue, you just don't even want to drive it. It's unpleasant to drive. So on that note, I didn't drive it as much as I wanted to, and every time I got around to getting a part, I'd call the parts store and I'd forget the actual part number I need. So when I called the parts store, I'd ask them for a speed sensor, and they kept giving me the wheel speed sensor when I needed a transmission speed sensor. I've searched for other videos on how to change the speed sensor or part number. There's 2 videos I found on speed sensors, but no one's ever listed a part number. So the engine code that we got was a P0716. P0716 is input shaft speed sensor, so not the wheel speed sensor. Now we have the input shaft speed sensor. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to replace it on your Hummer. I didn't grab a GM brand because I wanted to see if I could get this Duralast and have a lifetime warranty on it. The part number on this Duralast speed sensor is going to be SU1238. Here's the box right here for you guys. This episode, you guys are kind of going to get a break. You only need one tool, which is going to be a 19mm. So where you're gonna locate the speed sensor, look right under the driver door handle, go straight down. My Hummer's high enough to where I could just go under with a creeper, so I don't have to jack my vehicle up. Once you're under here, here's your torsion bar. There's gonna be one plug right here, and then on top of that plug, there's actually gonna be the sensor back there. You're gonna take the 19mm wrench and pull that sensor out. Here's the old speed sensor, and here is the new speed sensor. Before you put this in, you just want to double check to make sure it's the same, because once you plug these in, you're not able to return them. So I'm gonna go ahead and place the new speed sensor in now. That went in like butter. Finger tight, and a quarter turn is all she needs. Now we'll go ahead, plug the sensor back in. That pretty much does it on the install of that. Very, very simple. So please do not take your Hummer to a mechanic to do this. You could do this with a $2 crescent wrench and a $28 part. I hope you guys wrench on your Hummers. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and take this for a test drive to make sure we don't have any codes. I'm gonna take it on the freeway, and then I'll take it to the back roads and try to get it to simulate when it does kind of stall out at about 2,500 to 2,800 RPM. It starts to jerk. So hopefully this heals the jerky motion. Let's go check it out, guys. Camera up, we have no codes. The oil doesn't need to be changed. It's already changed. I changed it at 98,000 miles. I just don't know how to reset the light yet. And there is air in the tires. The sensors work fine. It's just my tire is aired down right now. Perfect. So far so good, guys. Haven't felt any hiccups yet, but usually that happens at about 2,500 RPM. Oh, I felt the transmission shift and it didn't jerk. Felt pretty good. Oh, it's shifting like butter now, guys. Honestly guys, I don't even have to take this on the freeway. This thing is shifting like butter right now. Crazy. And it's just crazy because it was hard shifts. Like, I don't know how to really explain it. It was almost like a stutter in the shifting and then a jerk, like a poppy little jerk. And now it's just smooth. So thumbs up, it works. Hopefully this works for you guys. This was just a video to get the Hummer fixed and to show you guys how to do this yourself, a little DIY, so you guys can save some money. I'm gonna go ahead and just sign off on this video. We'll do some B-roll of the Hummer. I'll wash it up one day and we'll take it somewhere and just do some B-roll. That way you guys can see the Hummer. The next modification on the Hummer is gonna be the interior mod, and I also have the lift kit at the house, but I wanted to do one more video on the stock Hummer with 35-inch tires on it. But this, I don't know how good this light is, so I'm gonna sign out right now. This is Dylan with Diverse Forward Research and Built to Drive Media. Love all you guys. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Please like this video. Hopefully this helps some of you guys. And I'm out. Peace.